Meet Odigo, your autonomous sample house tour guide. At the entrance, Odigo welcomes visitors and delivers a clear introduction to the scheme and the sample house they're about to experience. Odigo then guides clients room to room, moving autonomously with safe distancing and smart obstacle avoidance. At each mapped stop, Odigo detects the room and presents location-specific details on its 32-inch display, synchronized with concise highlights.
This is the living and dining area of the 4 BHK residence. The living room measures approximately 12 feet 6 inches by 18 feet.
Living room, kitchen, bedrooms, and bath are covered in sequence, each point pre-mapped, so the right content appears automatically without manual setup. When needed, Odigo displays QR codes for instant brochure downloads or quick brochure lookups on screen, keeping the tour smooth and on track. The result is a hands-free, low-friction visit that stays consistent for every guest. Experience Odigo in your sample house. Book a demo today.